All right, those were our fresh raspberries in the bottom of our 9 by 13, and we just gave that a nice little smash, and we're just getting all of that out of our masher real quick. And then we're gonna make sure that we have a nice layer of those delicious fresh raspberries all on the bottom of our 9 by 13 for this super easy sweet treat. So let's get this from edge to edge. All right, that looks perfect. Now I'm gonna come in with my classic yellow cake mix, and we're gonna sprinkle this right on top of our raspberries. Now I am using fresh raspberries, but you could also use a raspberry pie filling or a raspberry jam. I just wanted to cut some of that sugar, so I decided just to use fresh raspberries and smash them up myself. But we're gonna put this whole box of our yellow cake mix right on top of those raspberries, and we're gonna use our clean hands and go ahead and spread this from edge to edge, making sure to cover up those raspberries the best we can. Now I'm using yellow cake mix because I think that just goes so delicious with raspberries, but you can use whatever cake mix you like. You can use a strawberry cake mix or a French vanilla cake mix or even a white cake mix if you want something nice and neutral. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pat this down to make sure it is an even layer. Now I'm coming in with my salted butter, and I just cut these into little pads of butter, and we're gonna go ahead and put this right on top of our cake mix so that it can cook up that cake mix and create kind of like a crumble-like texture on top of those delicious raspberries. So we are obviously using salted butter, but you can use regular unsalted butter if you prefer. You can melt your butter and just drizzle it on top. But I found that doing the little pats is the best way to make a dump cake because it gets a better distribution of your butter. But we're using about a stick and a half of our salted butter. So let's go ahead and get our dish completely covered in our butter. All right. That looks absolutely perfect. Now this is gonna go into the oven at 375 for 45 minutes. All right, our raspberry dessert is cooling down, but I have my chilled bowl here, and we're gonna make a quick little whipped cream. So we're gonna add whatever I have left of this heavy cream, which is probably about 1/3 of this box. Just gotta use what you have. And then we're gonna add a little bit of our powdered sugar to sweeten that up. And we're probably just gonna add about that much. You don't need to add too much since we're using so little heavy cream. And last but certainly not least, we're gonna add some vanilla bean paste and just like a little bit. Perfect. All right, and that is it. It's super simple, 3 ingredients, and you just grab your hand mixer, and I also did put my whisks in the freezer to get chilled, and we are gonna whip this up super, super fast. This is such a great way to just make a delicious whip topping. You know, if you forgot your Cool Whip at the store or your Ready Whip, you can just use these 3 things that you probably already have in your kitchen and get a delicious, creamy treat to go with that raspberry cake. All right, so we whipped that up for about 4 minutes, and that looks absolutely delicious. So let's grab our raspberry treat. Oh my, this smells so good. Look how beautifully crusted our raspberries are. This is gonna be sweet and tart and delicious. Let's go ahead and get a piece. I'm not sure how well it's gonna hold up, but I know it's gonna taste amazing. Ho-ho. Look at that. The butter just made that crust absolutely delicious. Let's get that side to make sure we can get this fully out. Oh, okay. Looks like it's gonna be more of a spoon dessert than a spatula, so keep that in mind. Oh, that looks so good. Of course, we're gonna have to top it with our Ready Whip right on top. And this raspberry dump cake is ready to enjoy. Now, if you want a thicker raspberry layer, just add more raspberries, but I'm pretty happy with that. Oh yeah.
Is it good?
That is absolutely insanely good.